Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw some Christmas Among Us characters. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the visor area first, like all the other Among Us characters. We'll just draw one curve like this. We're starting off with the visor. On the bottom here we'll round it out. Same thing here on the top. And then we're going to pinch this down. So it's going to be a little bit sharper and a little bit rounder. Okay, and then now we're going to come to the side here. Let's draw one little curve. That's going to be the back of the head. And then let's come back up here and finish up the little Christmas hat here, the Santa Claus. Just come up here. Come over here. Let's draw another little curve. And then now whatever space you have here. So we have 3 little lumps, and then let's continue this. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same, just as long as you have some of these little clumps. Alright, so once you have this, let's come back up here. Let's draw one little curve in. And then right here, I'll draw a bigger curve going up. Just go right over this. Come back down. And then we can close that off first. And it looks like back here, is it like almost like a little bone here. So I'm just gonna draw 2 little curves like that. Okay, so once you have the hat, and we can come down to the body. So the body is very simple. Continue this line. Come over here. Come down. Alright, so now we're going to continue on here. Come down. Just round it out. Go back up. So that's going to be one leg, and then right here. Come all the way here, but just don't connect it. Come down. Stop a little bit short of this. Come in and then just close it off. Alright, and then for the backpack, very simple. Right in the middle of this, come out. Another line here. Again, just round it out. Just close it off and close everything off. Okay, so that's the Santa Claus one, and let's draw one more. This one with the cool little candy canes. So the beginning is going to be pretty much the same as this. So I can almost use this for reference. Curve. Let's go out first. Okay, and the same thing here. Come across here. It's one little curve. And then let's go ahead and finish up the candy canes on top. So right here, I'm going to continue up. I'm going to stop, come over to this side, right around here, curve. Again, just stop there first. And then for the candy cane, just draw one curve going down. Same thing here. And then now the space in here, just kind of smooth it out. That's going to be the top of the head, so one smooth curve. And then now for the candy cane here, we just go up first. We'll stop right there. On this corner, come across. And then I'm just gonna round this out. Just go up, connect to this. And then on this corner, we'll just go up like this. Okay, so let's draw one more. So this one's going this way, go up, come across, round it out. And if you want to make it a little bit more 3-dimensional, we can go past this and then go up. Okay, and then for the lines, it's very simple. And then for the one on the top here, just draw it with a curve going this way. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw, I know there's more lines there, but I'm just gonna simplify it, only draw 3. So on the top, just round it out. Okay, so that's the top, and now let's finish up the body. So the body's gonna be the same thing. Extend the line, come over here. Join the leg, extend it. Come across. Again, a little bit shorter. Okay, and then for the backpack, same thing here. I think I might have drawn the legs a little bit too short on this side, but hopefully you guys can draw a little bit longer. Alright, so that is it for this 2 Among Us characters. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.